Welcome to India, a land of timeless traditions, vibrant cultures, and extraordinary diversity.
India's civilization began over 5,000 years ago, leaving behind remarkable achievements in science, architecture, and culture.
India is home to hundreds of languages, each preserving unique traditions and stories.
Every festival reflects India's spirit of joy, faith, and togetherness. Each region expresses its identity through beautiful traditional clothing.
Indian cuisine is celebrated around the world. It is known for its rich flavors and incredible variety.
Music and dance are living expressions of India's artistic heritage.
India embraces many religions, united by respect, peace, and harmony.
India balances ancient traditions with rapid technological progress.
India is home to extraordinary wildlife. From the majestic Bengal tiger to the gentle elephant and the colorful peacock, nature is an essential part of India's heritage. For centuries, Indian artisans have preserved their skills through generations, creating beautiful handicrafts admired around the world.
India introduced the world to yoga and Ayurveda, timeless traditions that promote health, balance, and inner peace.
While proudly preserving its rich traditions, India continues to shape the future through innovation, education, science, and the dreams of its people.
Despite countless languages and traditions,
India stands united as one nation,
Sports unite millions of Indians. From the passion of cricket to the strength of kabaddi and the precision of badminton, every victory reflects determination and national pride. Indian Railways connects the nation from mountains to coastlines, carrying millions of people and bringing cultures closer every day.
The Indian tradition of Atithi Devo Bhava, the guest is like God, reflects the nation's values of kindness, generosity, and respect.
India is a nation of endless stories, timeless traditions, and limitless dreams. Its rich culture continues to inspire the world.
India's traditional markets are full of life. Every street tells a story through its colors, aromas, craftsmanship, and the warmth of its people. India's rivers have nurtured civilizations for thousands of years. They are lifelines that support agriculture, culture, and spiritual traditions. From ancient centers of learning to modern universities, India continues to inspire generations through education, research, and innovation. India is a land where history meets innovation, where traditions inspire the future, and where diversity creates. Thank you for joining us on this journey.
India is more than a country. It's a civilization, a culture, and a timeless journey. Thank you for watching.